If your salary is only growing 5 to 10% every year, you're average. But the people who pull ahead of 90% of the workforce have something different going on with their pay. Today we're breaking down 4 signs that show your salary is on that top 10% track, whether you've noticed it yet or not. If 2 or more of these signs match you, drop "growing" in the comments, and if 0 match, this video is exactly for you. Here's the thing, salary growth isn't just about your annual increment letter. It's a pattern, hidden in your decisions, your skills, and your career moves. Let's go through the 4 signs, one by one, that prove you're not just doing a job, you're actually growing your value. The first sign, every time you change jobs, your salary doesn't just go up a little, it jumps significantly. Research shows people who stay at the same company average a yearly raise of just 3 to 5%. But people who switch jobs strategically get jumps of 15 to 25%. If your last job switch got you a 20% increase or more, you're already in the group that understands its market value, and knows how to negotiate it. This sign shows you're not slowing down your own growth for the sake of loyalty. The second sign is negotiation. Most people, around 60%, accept their first offer without ever negotiating it. But people whose salaries grow fast negotiate at every new offer, every promotion, and sometimes even at appraisal time. You won't always get a yes, but people who keep asking end up earning significantly more over their lifetime than those who stay quiet. If you regularly speak up for your worth, even when the result is mixed, that's a sign you're in the 10% who refuse to let themselves be underpaid. The third sign is the speed of your skill growth. People who only learn what's needed for their current job stay average. But people who look 2 steps ahead of market trends and learn new skills, like AI tools, data analysis, or leadership skills, automatically become more in demand. And when demand rises, salary rises too, because companies are afraid of losing them. If you're regularly picking up new tools, certifications, or skills that are nice to have now but will be must-have in the future, you're on the growth curve that 90% of people miss. The fourth and final sign, income diversification. People who rely only on their single salary have growth that's capped by that company's policy. But people who start earning extra through side income, freelancing, or another skill see much faster growth in their total earnings. Your side income doesn't need to be huge right now, it just matters that you've started diversifying it. If you're earning through some other channel besides your salary, even if it's small, you're already in the mindset that sets you apart from the other 90%. So those were the 4 signs that show your salary growth is well above average. If 3 or 4 of these matched you, comment top 10%. If only 1 or 2 matched, no worries. Now you know exactly what to work on. If you want me to cover how to negotiate your salary without risking your job in the next video, hit like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.